Hi everybody, let's see what we are going to create today. This is a great presentation. Let's try to create it. At first we need to add a blank space. Some kind of ruined it, and then go to, let me call it oval. Create one, create two, and create three. Rotate. Now, put one here, then go there, align them middle, align it middle, align it center. Now, bring this to front, select all of them, set the shape outline to none, and then color of them the color you want. Let's go with screen, then select them, format object. Here, set the transparency of the fill to a little lower. Then copy your text, paste it here, change the text color if you want. Let me just bring it up, change it for example to the green. Sorry everyone. Now copy that. Here, bring it out, bring it down, and bring it out. Bring it in the middle, in the center. Set the transition to morph. Your pretty slide is easy and ready, as easy as piece of cake. I hope you enjoy it. Tell me if you love it. Have a nice time.